All right, we're going to talk about dilations and scale factors, and this video is going to be a little bit harder to do without graph paper and a ruler and all this to try to show you exactly how these are done. But what I want you to understand from this section is that a scale factor is like how much we're enlarging something or how much we're reducing something. And so, for example, if your instructions tell you to use a scale factor of 3 on a dilation, then you're going to basically multiply each one of those side links by 3, and those are going to be your new side links. If it tells you to reduce it by a scale factor of 3, then you would divide every one of those side links by 3 to get your new ones. But how do you draw them? And that's what's going to be the hard part. So let's just see if, let's just say, for example, this side AB is 3, AC is 4, and BC is 5. Okay, so if we have AB, line AB is 3, then we know that line A prime, B prime, which is the new line that we're making, would be 3 times 3, which is 9. If we know B to C is 5, then the new B prime, C prime should be 5 times 3, 15. And so on and so forth. AC is 4, so A prime, C prime is, and anytime we do some kind of dilation or transformation or anything, we always label the new one as the prime with the little mark above it. So that one was 4, so 4 times 3 is 12. Now, how do we draw these things? Okay, so if it's telling you this point of dilation is at T, then you've got to take a ruler and draw it through each one of those lines. So I'm going to do each line a different color here. So T is going to go through A to create the new A. So it's going to be something like that. And you can tell I can't do this very well without on straight paper. Okay, so then TC is got to go through T and C. And then T, so let's label that as our new C prime. This one was our new A prime somewhere. And then let's go blue and get it through the T and the B. Okay, and these are not going to be very accurate. Okay, so that's my B line, right? Okay, so then we know from A to C that was 4. So and this is where you need the graph paper because you need to come straight out at the same angle, which is, we know when triangles are similar, they have the same angle, until it's approximately that 12 length. So hopefully somewhere around here we are going to draw a new figure. That should be our new A prime, C prime line. Okay. So then the B to C was 5. He needs to be 15 now. So it looks like we didn't draw our B long enough, but somewhere around here is about where that B should come. If we continue drawing him out, and that would be the new B prime spot. So we'll erase these now that we know where the actual ones are. And then if we were to take the last line, that should make those 2 points equal. That should be about 9, which looks like it is. So I did pretty good on this one, but you can't see that. So that's your new one. So that we just made a dilation. So just keep in mind how to calculate those new lengths of each one of those lines. You draw them out from that point of dilation using a ruler, using your graph paper to get your new points up to those lengths, and that's how you do that. That's pretty much all that there is to that, so I'm just going to stop there.